How to create an EverQuest character. Hello, and welcome to Video Jug. The groundbreaking video game EverQuest transports players to the fictional world of Norath, where they can create magical objects, join guilds, and take part in epic battles. Now, exactly how you'll go about all that will be determined by the type of character you choose, but don't sweat it. EverQuest's lead programmer, Terry Michaels, is here to give you some insights into the process.
One of the first things you do in EverQuest is create a character. On the character create screen, you have a number of choices you can make about the character and what it's going to look like in the game.
Step 1. Be you gnome or dwarf? The first thing you'll have to choose is race. Make sure to read up on the history of each of the races. If the race you choose has a long-standing rivalry with another, you'll want to know that before they use you for bow target practice.
In this case, we're going to choose the Draken, one of the newest races we've added to EverQuest.
Step 2. Be classy. Choose your class carefully, as in many cases it will determine what you'll be doing in battle. Fighters will be up close hacking and slashing, while wizards hang in the back and cast spells.
The classes available to you will be dependent on the race you chose. Some races have only a few choices, while others have many.
Step 3. What's it look like?
When you choose your appearance, you can change the hair, the hairstyle, the hair color, any facial hairstyles, facial hair color, the eye color. For Drakens, you can change the horn pattern on the face as well as the tattoo pattern. Other races have slightly different choices. Barbarians, for instance, have woads, facial tattoos that you can change.
Step 4. Gods and cities.
After you pick an appearance that you like, go back to character creation, and you can select a deity and a starting city for your class.
While choosing a god may seem like an, everyday decision, choose wisely. Your race and class will determine the amount of deities you can select. But different NPCs and creatures may attack you if they don't like your deity and what it stands for. As for the city, your options will be limited, because everything you've chosen up to this point will determine what cities you can start from. Step 5. Advanced stats.
And you can set advanced stats on your character. You start off with a given number of stat points. You can allocate them as you choose, or we suggest a way to allocate them initially that if you are willing to accept it, you don't have to go through this step.
Step 6. What's in a name?
After you've done all of this, all you have to do is choose a name for your character, and you're ready to enter the world.
So whether your name is Melwyn the Sage or Ugal the Froglock, sharpen your blade and put on your traveling shoes, because the journey's only begun. Done.